Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Chung's pork egg rolls. Now they don't have air fryer instructions, so we're going to wing this a little bit. I tend to think that most things like this turn out much better in the air fryer, so that's how we're going to do it today. We've got everything that we need assembled here. It's quite simple. Just your egg rolls, some tongs to flip it over with, and a food thermometer. First thing you need to do is preheat your air fryer to 425 degrees, and then we're just gonna get our box opened up. This comes in 2 twin packs, and then you also have 4 little mini packets of sauce. So I'm gonna set the sauce aside and let that just kind of thaw out a little bit. And we're gonna go ahead and open up our egg roll wrappers and go over to our air fryer. Our air fryer is preheated and ready to go, so we're gonna open that up and we're gonna add our egg rolls in. Now they recommend in the oven, like the regular oven, to cook this for about 12 to 15 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and flip these, and then we'll see what we're looking like after about 10 minutes. All right guys, it's been 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and flip these over. We're gonna go ahead and try for another 5 minutes on these. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Okay guys, so it's been just over 9 minutes and these look like they're pretty done. We're gonna just check the temperature. All right, these are definitely done, so let's take them out. All right guys, so 11 minutes later, we've got completed egg rolls. Also, our sauce is now pretty thawed out after that. I would just say give it a little kind of massage with your fingers and you're ready to go. And this is what we've got. So if you guys would like to know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we'd purchase these again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.